You would not know the damage until 10, 15 years later.
Okay. Every second of every day, simply being alive creates damage inside your body. We breathe oxygen to survive, but the same process creates free radicals, oxidative stress, and cellular damage that accumulates over time. Fortunately, your body has its own defense system.
When the oxygen goes inside the body, what it creates in the energy production is something called reactive oxygen species, ROS. That species is actually what causes oxidation inside your body.
At the center of your defense system is a molecule most people have heard of, but very few people actually understand: glutathione.
The body is designed to produce glutathione for the rest of your life. It is designed to produce that.
Today, I'm sitting down once again with pharmacist, researcher, author of The Glutathione Revolution, and glutathione expert, Dr. Nayan Patel.
Your needs are either the same or increasing. Your glutathione production is either same or decreasing.
Yeah.
And when the decreasing of the glutathione and the increasing of your needs happen, there's a gap.
We break down oxidative stress and free radicals, what antioxidants actually do, why glutathione is so important, what depletes it, and how we can support our body's natural defenses.
Reduce the consumption of glutathione, you get to reduce exposure to toxic chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers, solvents.
But this conversation ultimately became about something much bigger than one antioxidant. Your body wants to heal, your body is capable of healing. The question is, are you supporting your body's ability to do so?
No matter what your age is, your body wants to heal. The body has the capacity of healing. The body can rejuvenate and regenerate again. What are you doing to help? That's my whole thing.
Welcome to the Superhuman Blueprint Podcast.